Editing videos can be painfully slow. You're cutting away every pause, every mistake, you're adding subtitles, and it takes you hours. But what if Premiere could do these tasks for you? I'm sorry, I don't think Premiere is ever gonna be... no. However, Autocut, a plugin for Premiere Pro, will do it all for you. Once you install the plugin, go to the window menu on top and find Autocut. They recently released version 2, which is why you can still see the old one in my menu. Once it's open, you can see all the features right here in one panel. I'm gonna show you exactly how I use this when I'm editing my videos. Let's start with Autocut silences. As you can see in the timeline, I have an entire studio recording from one of my previous tutorials. I don't want to go and cut everything manually, so instead, I'm clicking Autocut silences. Now in this panel, you can tell Autocut exactly what you need. For example, the entire timeline, or if you need in-to-out points, or just selected clips. I'm gonna go for selected clips. You can then choose the audio tracks, which for me is just A1. Then click on validate sections. This is such an amazing setting, you can actually choose the audio threshold. I recommend you click calculate because this feature has worked really well for me, and boom! Now it's gonna delete the silences under -45 decibels. For the pacing, let's choose jumpy, then remove silences. We don't need transitions yet, and now click on cut and delete silences. Look at that, you literally see the timeline moving. This is awesome, and it only took me 1 minute. But now, what about bad takes? You know, when you have to repeat your sentence multiple times. That's where step 2 comes in, Autocut repeat. This works similar. All you need to do is choose entire timeline or your selection, your audio track, and then click on validate. Then choose your video language and choose the algorithm. I recommend precise because it will only take a minute anyway, and then click on generate transcript. Now make sure remove silences is selected. Then as you can see, it generated a transcript. You can check for mistakes and then click on cut sequence. And now your video is ready in just a few clicks. This is such a time saver and you don't even have to leave Premiere. Also, they were so kind to send me this beautiful drinking bottle, which I'm currently using everywhere, at the gym, in my car, everywhere. I wonder if they sell those. Now here's a funny bonus feature, which is the profanity filter. You can beep out swear words. I mean, that's a cool extra. Just select the entire timeline, that way you're sure it scans everything. Click on validate sections and choose the language you like to swear in. I swear sometimes when I'm having trouble pronouncing a sentence. Once it's done looking for profanities, you can play around with these settings. You can now choose to mute it or to choose a beep. Then just click on remove profanities and boom, there you go. It's time for step 3, auto resize. You can use this to change the dimensions of your video for TikTok, Reels, whatever. Just make your video selection, then choose a preset, for example TikTok. Now choose a preset on how you want Autocut to follow the subject. This depends on how fast your subject is moving. Now click resize sequence and wait a few seconds. There you go. That again just took you a few seconds. Step 4. It's time to add some captions. In this panel, you can customize your captions with one of their presets, but you can also check out the community presets. Once you have one you like, simply click on import and there you go. If you want, you can still check and edit your transcript, but if you're ready, click on add captions. This works so fast. I wish I had this years ago. This is so amazing. Step number 5, auto chapters. This one helps for creating these typical YouTube chapters. Usually it takes a long time to create these manually, that is why I'm not doing it. Until now, because with Autocut, you can export your generated chapters, add them to your description, and there you go. It's that simple. Now, if you click on add chapters, Autocut will add markers to your timeline in Premiere, which is super useful as well. Step 6, auto B-roll. With this feature, you can add B-roll using stock clips. Autocut will look at your transcript and find the perfect footage to put on top. Even if you don't want it to choose the B-roll for you, you can still look for B-roll yourself by clicking the plus icon. In here, you can browse, for example, running, and look at that. Next, just click on add B-rolls and let Autocut do its thing. Number 7, auto viral. This is a detector that can find potential viral clips in a long video. Once it's done, you can see a list right here. It even shows a viral score, which indicates the probability of your video going viral. You can uncheck the ones you don't need and then click on generate viral clips. It will then create multiple sequences with all your videos separately. This gives you the possibility to further edit them or to export and upload it to social media. This is awesome, but now it's time for number 8, Auto Podcast. This will edit a podcast for you. It detects when one of the speakers is talking and then it will switch the camera to that person. This feature basically makes multi-camera editing irrelevant. Now, as an editor, you want to spend time doing the creative stuff, you know, creating animations, adding awesome sound effects, color grading. Now, this plugin allows you to automate all the boring tasks that don't require your creativity. With Autocut, editing isn't just faster, it's effortless. So, if you're looking to put Premiere on steroids, click the link down below. Autocut, thank you so much for sponsoring, and thank you guys so much for watching. Goodbye.